a simple guide on how to be the best kisser. Kissing somebody for the first time is always an exciting and nerve-wracking moment. How should you initiate it? What if the person doesn't want to kiss you back? What should you do to be a good kisser? Don't worry, today we're going to answer all of these questions. So listen up and take notes. After watching this video, you'll definitely be an unbelievable kisser. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Now you won't miss any of our new videos. Okay, first things first. What hints should you give away if you want to kiss someone? It's usually all very subconscious, and your body language should do the job for you. The most obvious choice is to look at the person's lips briefly. This is the main subconscious kissing signal. Keeping your lips softly parted is another body language option to give away romantic intentions. Not too much though. It's enough to bite your bottom lip slightly. Those who are especially brave can try to test the waters beforehand. If you're on a date with a girl, quickly and gently kiss her hand as you greet her. If you're on a date with a guy, plant a kiss on his cheek. You'll instantly see how the person feels about it. As the date goes on, you can decide whether it would be appropriate to kiss your date goodbye or if it's better to take it slowly. If you're feeling even braver, you can ask for a kiss directly. Be respectful and choose your words wisely. For example, "I'm sorry if I'm being too forward, but may I kiss you?" This is the best option if you're still in doubt. Your date will probably appreciate you asking for their consent before getting a bit more intimate. Now that we've found out how to initiate the kiss, let's move on to the basic kissing techniques. First and foremost, you should take care of your lips. Chapped lips are never a good look. Don't forget about your breath either. If it feels a little stale, use breath mints or a spray to freshen up. Begin with a few soft and gentle kisses. No tongue or teeth. There's no need for that, especially if you are kissing somebody for the very first time. You are just getting to know each other in this way, and slow and gentle kisses will give both of you a chance to stop if anything seems uncomfortable or wrong. If your feelings are mutual, your kiss will progress naturally. Try to swallow excess saliva, as sloppy kisses aren't romantic. As your kiss continues, you can go with a locked lips technique, which is also a great gateway for future French kissing. To put it simply, for the locked lips technique, you should stack your lips so that your partner's lower lip is below your lower lip, and their upper lip is below your upper lip. At this point, you can start to use your hands more as well. Putting your hands around your partner's waist, on their shoulders, or on the sides of their face are just a couple of possible choices. Go with your instincts and feelings, but be considerate. You should both feel comfortable about what's going on between the two of you. If your partner doesn't mind the locked lips technique, you can test using your tongue after some time. Try lightly running the tip of it over your partner's lower lip and see how they respond. If your partner presses in closer to you or even returns the gesture, that's a good sign. As you increase the intensity of the kiss, you can also go for French kissing. Although this is usually more appropriate for couples who have been together for some time. When French kissing, you should sweep your tongue along the inside of your partner's lower lip. As always, it's advisable to begin slowly and gently and increase the intensity if your partner responds well. If everything's going well, all you have to do is slide the tip of your tongue inside your partner's mouth and gently move it against the tip of their tongue. However, if it's your first kiss, stay away from this technique. Try something lighter instead. The final cherry on top when it comes to kissing techniques is using your teeth. This adds an unexpected element to a kiss. When your lips are locked, simply place your teeth over your partner's lower lip and gently pull back. Keep the pressure as light as possible, and don't use this trick frequently. It should be an occasional gesture, not a constant thing. And that's all the basic kissing techniques for you. You can mix them up or stick to the one you prefer the most. Kissing is purely individual, and it can be anything you want as long as you are both feeling it. All of this advice is helpful, but what if it's your first kiss? How can you make this moment memorable and amazing? Most importantly, calm down. Take a deep breath. Everything's going to be just fine. If you're truly in love with your partner and they're in love with you, your skillfulness won't matter too much. Everyone starts at the beginning, and you can grow and build intimacy together, which will make your connection even stronger. Don't rush the moment. Your first kiss happens only once. Unless the energy between you is electric and you feel like if you don't kiss the person you'll regret it for the rest of your life, don't do it. It's always cool to have a romantic first kiss story, right? If you're feeling shy, let your partner lead the way. There's nothing wrong with it, quite the opposite. This approach will only help you learn everything more quickly. According to specialists, a great kiss has a drug-like effect. That's because our lips are the most exposed erogenous zone and have 12 cranial nerves to shoot impulses into our brain. And this chemical cocktail can lead to a feeling of being high. Still, there have to be some other kissing tricks out there that can make you a better kisser, right? Sure, and trick number 1 is educating yourself about other erogenous zones. Yes, we've learned that lips are among them. However, they're not the only erogenous zone in that general area. The neck, earlobes, shoulders, fingertips, the list is quite long. Combining the effects of a couple of them will certainly upgrade your kissing game. Another important thing is to be honest. You can't become a better kisser if you don't progress. If something is wrong, tell your partner about it, and let them do the same for you. And don't take it personally. Let it be a part of the learning experience. Paying more attention to your partner is also one of the keys to being a good kisser. Everyone has their own set of preferences, and if you know and follow them, you'll definitely be the best for your partner. And this is exactly why it's important to talk it over. Your girlfriend or boyfriend can't read your thoughts, so leave little hints or tell them everything directly. And last but not least, give bad kissers a chance. Kissing is a skill that can be improved. All you have to do is teach the person. If you really have feelings for somebody, turning them down just because they aren't as good a kisser as you thought isn't the best choice. They may be not so good now, but after some time they'll be amazing, and you'll lose your chance to be with someone you love. After all, practice makes perfect. Can you tell us the story of your first kiss? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a like and click subscribe to stay on the bright side of life.